So guys, if you're wondering on how to use the new Instagram reel feature, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and I will show you step by step actually how I did mine, okay, or how to use it. All right, so let's go to the video. So click on the blue plus button and it will take you here. So look down below, you see the live. Here this one is the live, and the next is story, and then the third is reels. So reels has 4, so the audio, and that's all this music. So you can add music to all your videos, and then click on one and you can slide left and right to pick whatever part of the music you want to add to your video, right? So the next is speed. So if you want to fast forward, you can put it at 2 or 3x. If you want to go to slow-mo, you can put that 0.3x, but we'll leave it at 1x. The next is effect. So everything you see here is effects. But if you don't like any, you can click on this and it will take you to effects gallery. And then you see all this beautiful effects or gorgeous effect you can use. And the next is timer. So right now Reels only have 15 seconds time for you to record, so you can only record 15 seconds or you can record like 5 seconds, whatever you want. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So go to timer and set it to like 5 seconds. So I'm gonna record 2 videos, so one is 5 seconds, and now click the record button and count to 1. So right now it's recording, right? Okay, when it's done, so it's done. So the pink circle is not there, so I'm gonna set the second recording. So this is another 5 seconds. If you notice, there's one other button that was added, the align button. So with this I can align like where I stopped from my previous video, and this one that I'm about to take right now, like record right now. So that's what I'm trying to align the zebra to match the one on the previous video, so which is cool. So let's see how that goes. Okay, come on. I keep moving. I think this is fine. I think that's okay, right? So let go, click. So 2 1. So it's gonna record for another 5 seconds and it's gonna stop. Okay, so stop. All right, so click on the white button, so we can listen or actually watch what we just record. So this is where I did the align this point. Okay, so now click on this white arrow. That's gonna take us to where we can add the text. So I'm gonna say hey, right? And you can, how you do your regular story. So just go there. I'll go to, so I can get the GIF. So if I'm gonna get the Wednesday ham the camera, and that's what I'm gonna use, just to get the idea, just to let you know you can do all this stuff. And when you're done, you click on the white circle with the arrow. I don't know how you say that, but hey. And then this is what you see. You can turn this off or on if you want to share it to your feed or not. You can also share this your story, so you click on the story and you can go share, so register for my 5-day unlimited leads and sales challenge. So it's all about visibility. So you need to be visible in order for your target audience to see you, right? So register, go to bit.ly /unlimited leads and sales. Okay, see you soon. Thank you.